Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Barrier Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our maths lecture. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our lesson. How we start our lesson? How we start our day? In the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone raise your hands for dua. Dua for learning, and that is Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. What you need for today's lesson? Look at my screen. The first one is your math notebook, and then one pencil, eraser and sharpener. Make sure you have all these things near to you so that you can do your work easily. What are the objectives? The number one is reinforcement of table of 2. As you know, we have done table of 2. We are going to revise it today. Take your math notebook, then open it and make your margin lines like I made it with orange color. So make your margin lines on the both side of the page. Then write your date, today's date, and what is the date today? Today is 1.4.2021. Here is the new day, the first day of April 4. That's why I wrote here number 4. March 3 is finished. Now April 4 is started now. Today is the first day of April 4. So write your date 1.4.2021 space h.t again space, and the day is Thursday. T should be capital in Thursday. And write your date in a proper format. Touch with the line. After completing your date, you have to write your topic. TOPIC, topic, then colon, and your topic is reinforcement of table of 2. Then full stop. Here is I wrote REINF, reinforcement of. This is the short form of reinforcement. So write in capital letters reinforcement of table of 2. We are going to revise it. Write 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. And how we will read it? 2 ones are 2. Then leave the line. Those who have a small blocks, you have to leave the line. Keep in your mind, and one number should be in one block. Don't write them together. Do your work neat and clean. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. 2 twos are 4. How you will read it? 2 twos are 4. If you add 2 into 2, then you will get number 4. Then next one is 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 multiply 7 is equal to 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. 2 eights are 16. 2 multiply 9 is equal to 18. 2 nines are 18. And then 2 multiply 10 is equal to 20. 2 tens are 20. You have to write it on your notebook and you have to learn it orally. Let's read it again. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 19, and then 2 tens are 20. This is how you can read the table. And the easiest way is you can add two numbers into 2, then you will get number 4. Then again you will add two numbers into 4, then you will get 6, and you can do it with the rest of the numbers. This is all about today's lesson. You have to memorize the table of 2 and you have to write it on your notebook in a neat form. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. See you tomorrow in our live session, inshallah. Remember us in your prayers. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.